Jake here for American Muscle, and today I've got these Axial LED rear side marker lights with smoked lenses for 2011 to 2014 Dodge Chargers. If you're looking to upgrade the lighting on your Charger, if you've already gone ahead and done some LED lights and want to add a little bit more, or even if you just want to go for a bit more of that stealthy appearance, these rear side marker lights from Axial are going to be the perfect upgrade. They combine good looks, solid construction, and improved visibility all at a super affordable price tag, so you really can't go wrong with a set of these. Now there are a few things to touch on here, but let's start with the exterior, specifically the lens. Now of course, as the name implies, these are finished with this tinted polycarbonate lens. So not only is the lens strong enough to handle impacts out in the environment, but it also just looks really cool. Unlike the standard red lenses on your stock rear marker lights, these are going to make for a much sleeker, stealthier look, especially so if your car is a darker paint color. These are going to blend in really nicely. Now of course the lenses are also weather sealed to prevent against the ingress of dirt and moisture, so they're going to last a long time, and they feature injection molded ABS plastic housings for more durability. But the big story here is of course the LED lights. Now these have this SMD LED strip light inside to give you a nice clean line of light all the way through the lens. So there's no single point of light like with factory incandescent bulbs, and the whole thing gets lit up very nicely. Since these are LEDs, they're going to have a much longer lifespan than those factory incandescent bulbs, and they're also going to be brighter, so despite being behind these dark smoked lenses, they're still going to be plenty visible. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very affordable modification. Coming in around $50 for the set, it's a simple thing that will fit almost any budget, and it's still going to create a good visual impact in addition to an improvement in visibility. Now in regards to install, these are going to get a 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter. They are 100% plug and play. There's just this one plug to do up, so there's no wiring or cutting involved, and it should only take you about 10 minutes to get them installed on your Charger. And with that, let's throw it over to one of our AM customers now who will walk you through it.
Okay, so first, all we need, flathead screwdriver. Pull it down here. You're first just gonna pop it out. And as you can see, it just dangles here by this. Turn it. Pops right out. And there's a little bulb here. You're just gonna wiggle that out. Pops right out too. We got the new one here. Pull it right off there, and it has a little LED. You just click it right into where that bulb was. Look at this. Right in there. Put it back in. Clamps right in. Get a shot of that. Like I said, all you need, flathead screwdriver, do that.
That's going to do it for our review and install of the Axial LED rear side marker lights for 2011 to 2015 Chargers. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, for all things Charger, be sure to stick with us right here at AmericanMuscle.com.